Welcome back to the channel, everyone. First, I'm going to show you my real trading account on Pocket Option. Now we'll select our indicator. Today we're going to use the zigzag indicator. After selecting the indicator, we'll choose our trading pair. For the first trade, we've selected EUR-CAD. Now, as you can see, the zigzag indicator is showing us an upward direction. We didn't enter the trade randomly. We carefully observed the direction given by the indicator, analyzed the price movement, and got confirmation that the market could move upward. So based on that analysis, we placed our first buy trade. Now let's understand the zigzag indicator in detail. The zigzag indicator is a technical analysis tool that helps traders identify important market highs and lows. Instead of focusing on every small price movement, it filters out minor fluctuations and highlights significant price swings. This makes it easier to understand the overall market structure and direction. When the market is making higher movements, the zigzag can help us identify the important swing points. When the market starts moving downward, it can highlight the important lower swing points. The main purpose of the zigzag indicator is to make price movement easier to understand and help traders identify potential changes in market direction. However, remember that the zigzag indicator should not be used blindly. It is better to combine it with proper market analysis, confirmation, and risk management before entering any trade. And now, as you can see, our first trade has already been win. Now we'll move to our second trade. First, we change the trading pair. After selecting the new pair, we select our 1-minute trading time. Now, after analyzing the market direction, with the zigzag indicator, we're taking a buy trade. And as you can see, our second trade has also been win. So this is how we use the zigzag indicator to understand the market direction and execute our trades based on proper analysis. If you also want to improve your trading knowledge and receive free trading signals, you can join our Telegram channel. The Telegram link is available in the description.